Hi all, welcome to KTC Factory. I'm Rani Subramanian here. Today also I brought for you the exclusive collections from KTC, the segments from Kurti's segment. These are the ready-made kurtis, designer special varieties for the boutique retailers. If you are really interested to start your own boutique and you want a boutique varieties, unique collections, you can purchase from KTC Factory. Please watch this video and subscribe the channel for the regular updates. And these kurtis are ready-made kurtis where you can directly do online shopping sitting from home. There's a bell icon over there. Please click it and subscribe the channel for the regular updates for every product KTC manufacturing is giving you at manufacturing cost, which you can directly buy at wholesale price. With the color chart, with the many more varieties, the multi-segments collections you can buy from stable manufacturers with quality services and quality products. If I talk about these varieties, the kurtis, which are the very demanded for every woman, for the youngsters, college girls to working women, they like to comfortable for the small events, for the get-together, so functions, parties. So these unique varieties of two-piece concept, these are the varieties. The first pattern here, the dark red color, which is a butterfly sleeves over here and the mini handwork has been done, and the semi plazo of the bottom where you can see here the plain dark cherry red color combination. So these are the varieties of two-piece concept of western varieties with the color chart the KTC is giving you. The next pattern, beautiful, the pink color with the baby pink with the dark wine color combination with the foil bold floral printed with a collar pattern and the handwork designer, which you can see here. This is a two-piece concept of the double XL size and it is a long kurti, and you can see over here the fancy knots. Such beautiful two-piece boutique varieties you can purchase from KTC, which starts from 300 rupees. And retailers and everyone, you know that when we go to buy at the market, these collections are approximately which starts from 700 to 800 rupees, right? Next is the pattern of the light floral base printed of Rama color with the pastel color of the shine. So beautiful V long cut design pattern and the long fall dark golden printed, and here is a beautiful variety, the top and bottom. Such unique rich collections of boutique collections. KTC is giving you many more color options. And if I talk about the contrast color combination of the sequence work with the thread work, here is a one more option. So the thread work has been done and the dark black color combination, the black is the bottom and the mild sequence work has been done for the semi-formal and the boutique for the really regular use. Also such varieties you can keep at your business. Always the women and the girls look for new varieties according to the trend. It's getting keep updated. So please, you can also update your business to make your customers happy. Next product, if I talk about this collection, this is a mini 3/4 pattern of the gown pattern, and here the multiple layers has been given and the digital printed concept of the V-neck pattern, and here is a top and bottom, and here there is a fancy knot at the edge of the hands is being given. So these are all western type of top and bottom varieties. Exclusive elegant varieties of designer boutique collections. You can see at my background many more varieties you can purchase with the color chart, and the KTC is giving you the code. Every pattern you will find out the code and the color chart over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to say, if it is a XL, all sizes will be XL. The collection will not be a mixture of sizes like 1L, M, XL, small. If you are buying, because you are buying from a manufacturers. So factory costs many more elegant varieties for your business. You can make your customers happy. Such unique collections you have to fill in the designer boutique. And you're really interested to have your side business, or you want to run your business, you want to invest on something, I can suggest your clothing business is a brand where you can all the time you can run your business and you can see a profit. If you want to buy, you want to invest, starting with 50K, you can purchase and you can start your business with KTC Factory. You have a smooth communication. There's no language barrier. We provide you transportation. We provide you entire domestic as well as all the countries around, and as well as we have a catalog chart. We have a color options. We have a sizes. We do have a many segments of designer, party, ready to wear sarees, uniform forming, ready to wear kurtis and running material, lehengas, designer, boutique varieties, western collections, bottom, dupattas, etc. So I can only say to tie up with these collections and start your boutique. You have to add these collections into your business. Numbers are on the screen. For further information, you can contact your sales team, and as well as you can also visit Millennium Textile building, which is located at Surat Ring Road, first floor, KTC factory, morning 9:30 to 6:30. We do have an offline sales team. We do have an online team, 24/7. You can coordinate in the WhatsApp. They'll share you the entire catalog chart of all the segments, and COD is also available, friends. So you can go ahead for 15 to 20k. You can do a COD or 10 to 15k, 20 to 25. And if you're located at NRA like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, Los Angeles, many more countries, you can have a clothing business for your business, and you can invest on this and you can see a profit. So let me know these designer boutique varieties. If you liked it, go ahead for online order and let me know at the comment box what kind of collections you're looking for. So next video, I'll come up with many more unique varieties and the information. Subscribe to channel KTC Factory and keep share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.